lazy Sunday, I wake at 10:30. Call Johnny T just to see what's the plan.
Hello?
Johnny T.
Mark, what's
I
cracking?
went to church last night, Saturday, and it's happening.
The whole day's free time for freaky fun playing.
Knocking on some nines, homie, that's what I'm saying.
Cruising down the Togos, checking out the flavor.
The sandwich blows your mind like a wintergreen saver.
Chips.
Yeah, drinks, time for feeding my face. Pack up the brownies, time to blow this place.
What you wanna do?
Yo, whatever we like.
So glad we got in tight with the Lord last night.
I slipped in the crib, got my hug.
Me too.
Her sugar is the best.
True that.
Double true.
Slamming on the musical tracks, chill and relax.
Doing the 640 thing ain't whack. Went to Westgate.
What?
Church on Saturday. I went to Westgate.
What?
Church on Saturday. Last night was Westgate.
What?
Church on Saturday. Wiggity Westgate.
What?
Church on Saturday. Hey John, it's a beautiful day for a beautiful day. Let's check out a flick. What do you say?
We'll give to the pole, then we'll pick up the ladies. I ain't seen Indiana Jones since the 80s. Bust me some caps.
Diet Coke, no ice. How much? What? These snacks are overpriced.
Don't forget we got the brownies, baby.
2 waters to go.
And I'm ghost like Swayze. Rolling by the church.
Steve is laying down the rule.
Before they get dismissed, we be chilling in the pool. SPF fitted so my skin's not illin'.
Homeboys at the church, time for freaky fresh chillin'.
Deep in the shallow, ain't no matter.
When I'm blingin' with my wings, homie couldn't be fatter. Closing out the day with a red hot delicious.
Saturday plus church equals crazy religious. Went to Westgate.
What?
Church on Saturday. I went to Westgate.
What?
Church on Saturday. Last night was Westgate.
What?
Church on Saturday. Wiggity